Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rosemary Bimorte, 37 years old from the Philippines. I've done my schooling at Jacobo C. Gonzalez Memorial School of Arts and Trade during my secondary years and my 2-year vocational course as an electrical technology student. I have a family of 8. Although my 3 family members were deceased, I still have my loving mother, which is a housewife and a all-around beautician, and my 2 brothers and sister were all working in the Philippines. I'd been a nanny for 6 years. During 2010 to 2012, I'm a live-in nanny in Damascus, Syria, taking care of a 3-year-old girl. My responsibility there was to prepare the breakfast of the kids during school days and dropping and picking up the kids at the school bus. When she's gone, I'm doing all the household chores and make sure to give her a healthy snack when she's back and assisting her taking a bath and going to bed. I finished my contract there. 2012 to 2014, I work in a Hong Kong family and take good care of a 3-year-old girl and a 5-year-old boy. My responsibility there was to prepare the breakfast and help them to get ready for school, dropping and picking them up at the school and the activity. When they come back, I make sure I give them a healthy snack and see that they finish the food. After that, I help them with the assignment and do all the household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing. I finished my contract there 2014 to 2016 until present. I'm still working in a Hong Kong family and take good care of an 8-year-old boy. My responsibility here is preparing the breakfast and help the kids get ready for school, dropping and picking up the kids at the school, and giving him a healthy snack when he's back, helping him on his assignment, and assisting him while he's bathing. Given a chance to work in your family, I make sure to help you the best that I can and treat your children as my own and put the child safety at all time, because I'm a disciplined and friendly person whom you can trust. Have a nice day, ma'am, sir. Thank you.